What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash app won't let me place an order. Now first thing that you should do is to simply go to your Play Store and make sure that you are using the latest version of DoorDash. So you can go to your Play Store, then search for DoorDash, and here as you can see the application icon. Just tap on it and make sure that you do not have any updates. Now the second thing that you can do is to simply clear the cache. And to do that, go to settings, then go down till you find apps, then go to manage apps, and here you should search for DoorDash. Then click on the application, then click on storage, and here you can click on clear all data and choose clear the cache. But if you have an iOS, what you should do is very simple. You should go to the general settings. After that, go to storage, then search for DoorDash application. Then you will find an option that is called offloading. Click on offload. Then it will show, instead of offloading, reinstall the app. Click reinstall the app. Then the issue may be fixed. Now, if you still have the problem, the last solution that you can do is to simply uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. Now, let's say that you still have the problem. You can now go to the search bar of your Google or your browser, then type DoorDash customer service. Click on DoorDash customer service, and here as you can see, they will show you their number, or you can simply click on this link right here and it will jump you directly to their page. Now scroll down, click on I'm a customer, then you can go down and click on help, for example. Then it will show you these two options. Click on customer support. Then go down till you find this option right here, chat with us in DoorDash application. Now you can choose Google or the application itself in order to chat with them. So I'm gonna choose Google, then verify that you are not a robot. Then they will ask you to sign in, verify your phone number, enter some data about yourself. Then after signing in, they will jump you directly into this page. And now you should choose issues with DoorDash order. Then some of the support representatives will chat with you and you can simply explain your exact problem and the issue will be fixed. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.